In this video, I'll be explaining what tag-based conversions are and giving a high-level overview of the setup process. When tracking conversions, you can either create a click-based or a tag-based action, and the best way to understand this difference is by looking at an example of a customer journey. So let's say you own an eye care business and you want to track appointment bookings as conversions. A customer might first head to Google, search for glasses near me, and then see one of your Yext-powered listings. Here, some customers might decide to call in and book an appointment right away. So to account for these, you want to set up a conversion action in Yext for phone call clicks. Because we're aware that not all clicks will lead to a conversion 100% of the time, we allow you to apply a completion rate to more accurately count conversions. This type of conversion, where you automatically count clicks on Yext products as conversions with a completion rate, is a click-based conversion. Now, some customers, instead of making a call right away, might want to check out your website first, so instead, they click on the listing's website URL. This URL leads them to a Yext location page. Here, the customer sees that they can book an appointment, but they still have a few questions, so they decide to use your website search. This brings them to your answers experience. Here, they ask their questions, get some answers, and decide that they're ready to book an appointment. This button leads them to an appointment booking page on your website, where they then book their appointment and land on a booking confirmation page. Landing on this page represents a true conversion that you'll want to track. This type of conversion that occurs on your website outside of listings, pages, or answers is tracked using a tag-based conversion. You can also attribute these conversions to clicks on touch points that occurred earlier on in the journey. Note that these conversions will only be counted in Yext if the user had engaged with a Yext property sometime within the journey. Now let's say in addition to appointment bookings, you also want to track purchases. For customers that make in-person purchases and click on Get Directions to get there, you can set up a click-based conversion action on your Get Directions clicks with the necessary completion rate. For customers that make online purchases, you can set up a tag-based conversion action on the order confirmation page. In general, click-based actions are recommended for offline conversions, like phone call clicks or driving directions, and are very simple to set up, while tag-based actions provide a more accurate count of conversions and provide additional insights to the customer journey.